The reason I decided to make my YouTube channel was that I have watched so many YouTube videos and realized there are many people who are over 40 years old. Then I thought, maybe I can do it. Maybe I can create my own YouTube channel. Then finally I ran into this video of a gentleman. He said he is 80 years old. So I thought, well, if he can do it, maybe I can do it too. Only thing I needed was decision and do it, action, decision and action to create my own YouTube channel. It was very frightening to talk to the camera at very first video of mine, but I have been practice many times. Then now it is me now. I got a little bit better, baby step, maybe half a baby step. So in order to have your YouTube channel, people said you need to have a niche. So I thought, what is my niche? I'm not good with computers. I'm not good with making something. I even not good with English. My English is broken English. Although I live in this country 34 years ago, but still not good with my English skill. Then I thought about it very hard. Then I came up with this idea that because I am Japanese, I am from Japan, my first language is Japanese. So I thought maybe creating a channel to teach Japanese. Well, I am not teacher. I don't have teaching certificate, but I went to this college, university. The course was the adult learning, adult teaching, adult practicing. The program was called Workforce Education and Development, WED, Workforce Education and Development. Then I graduated from, so I may be able to teach adults, which is you, to learning something. I am from Japan, so I have decided to create a channel to teach Japanese, some words, sentences, or even songs, Japanese songs. I do like singing a lot. When I was little, I wanted to become a singer, and I sing songs by myself or with my sisters or my friends. I just love to sing. So I want to share that singing songs with you. Let's go into today's lesson. Today's lesson is, what do you say snow in Japanese? Snow, Yuki, Y-U-K-I, Yuki, snow, Yuki. Do you like snow? I am from tropical island, so I am not fond of cold weather, but it is very pretty to look snowing from the inside out. I never thought that Yuki looks like that. When I first came over here 34 years ago, it was winter time. October. It was October, so it became colder and colder. Then finally snowed. But I had never seen snow in my life. I was 24 that time. Very long time ago. Anyway, so I didn't know what snow looks like or touching, feeling. So one day I was looking outside from the window. Something white stuff, like powderish stuff, very fine thing, was coming down. So I told my mother-in-law that time, I said, there's something falling from the sky. Looks like baby cereal. I thought baby cereal was falling from the sky. But my mother-in-law laughed and told me that it's snow. And I was so surprised. What? That is snow? So I went outside and touched snow. This is snow. Oh my God. That was very fine snow, small snow. But I played with snow. Then I got so cold. Then I came back inside. That year, 1990, we had very bad winter. We have lots of snow and icy road. Oh, that's dangerous. But I wasn't used to walking on the ice, so I crawled on the ice like some animal. That was a memorable winter. My first encounter with snow and ice. So, let's say snow in Japanese. Yuki. Snow. Yuki. Do you like snow? Do you like to play with it, making a snowman? Or like you play do you say it play? You skiing or sleighing? That all looks like fun, but I never done it. Well, I made a small snowman. Do you know that in Japan, snowman is just two balls of snow. Bigger one in down, bottom, then smaller one in top. Then put something to make eyes and nose. 2 balls of snow make snowman. But in this country, US, people make snowman with three balls of snow. Bigger one at the bottom and a little smaller one, then little smaller one. 3 balls of snow, then snowman. But in Japan, 2 balls of snow. There's also a children's song about Yuki. This is a song about snow, and singing said, there's a snowing, never stop it snowing, and dog get excited and running around, and Yuki in snow. But cats don't like cold weather. Cats are kind of snuggled up in a warm place, warm blanket or something, then keep warm. I guess cat doesn't like snow. So this is the song of snow, children's song. Yuki ya konko, anare ya konko, 降っても降ってもまだ降り止まぬ。犬は喜びには駆け回り、 猫はこたつで丸くなる。 That's snow song. Because I like to sing, I want to share this singing too. I want to sing Japanese songs and English songs. Either way, I hope you enjoy it. So let me know if you have some requests or you want to know some Japanese songs. I would be glad to sing with you. Share. I want to share Japanese language, and I want to share the songs, singing songs with you. Please send me a request. What do you want to learn? Words, phrases, or songs? Anything. Some question about Japanese culture, what people do or what people say, anything about Japan. I would give you answer as much as I know. Thank you for watching today. Today's word was snow, Yuki. Snow, Yuki. Snow, Yuki. 雪が降っています。雪が降っています。雪が降っています。Thank you for watching today. Please subscribe my channel so that you can find it quickly. And press like button, please. I'm looking forward to see you next video next week. I am trying to upload my video once a week. So I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye bye.